Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a project and locking your intent. Choose aspect ratio and frame rate first because these settings govern motion. Once set, mount your phone on a stable tripod and enable the grid. This keeps composition steady. Turn on onion skin to compare frames and adjust exposure and focus manually so lighting stays consistent. Do this now so you avoid retakes later. Make sure to keep movements small and use a remote or timer to reduce camera shake. Now you capture frames with intention. Use onion skin at a comfortable opacity to align subjects relative to the previous frame. Move elements in tiny, consistent increments. After each move, capture a frame. If something looks jumpy, pause and reshoot the last several frames. Consistency matters more than speed. Make sure white balance and exposure are locked so colors don't flicker. Once done, play back a short sequence to confirm timing. Then, continue shooting the rest of your scene. You finish by editing the timeline. Delete or reorder frames, add short holds or easing to smooth motion, and apply simple transitions. Once the sequence plays smoothly, import audio or record voiceover inside the app, then export as MP4 at your chosen resolution and frame rate. If you see flicker or exposure jumps, make sure exposure and white balance were locked during shooting. If lighting varied, reshoot under consistent illumination or use the app's flicker removal feature. This fixes most final issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.